Lesson 5, DUI Shatters Life, Myth versus Reality. What it really feels like to become a victim, one question at a time. Lesson 5, what are my victim's rights? You can't exercise rights you don't know you have. Hello, I'm Sarah, Kenley's mom. Many of you know me as Mama Bear. I'm not an attorney. I'm a victim and a mother sharing what I learned after my son, Dr. Kenley Jean Rainey, was killed by a drunk driver. This lesson in the series grew out of my own experience after my son was killed, together with years of research into the criminal justice system, victims' rights, and publicly available information. This lesson reflects my personal experience and is intended for educational purposes only. It is not legal advice. Laws and procedures vary by state. I'm not asking you to believe me because I'm an expert. I'm asking you to learn from what I experienced. My goal isn't to tell you what to think. My goal is to help you understand the criminal justice system, ask informed questions, and become an informed advocate for yourself and the person you love. Here's something I wish someone had told me the day my son was killed. I never imagined I would become a victim. Because of that, I never thought about victims' rights. Like many people, I trusted that if something this terrible ever happened, someone would explain my rights and help me understand the process. But that wasn't my experience. Looking back, I realized I didn't know what rights I had. I didn't know what questions to ask. And if you don't know your rights, you may never know when they're supposed to be applied or what information you should request. Every state has victims' rights laws. Many states also have additional protections, such as Marsy's Law. Because laws vary from state to state, it's important to learn what rights apply where you live. One of the first questions I wish someone had asked me was, may I have a written copy of my state's victims' rights? Then ask, which rights apply to my case? Who explains these rights? And are there deadlines I need to know about? Do I need to request any of these rights? Is there anything I need to register for? Understanding your rights won't change what happened, but it can help you understand the process and ask informed questions. One of the biggest lessons I learned was this: know your rights before you need them. If you don't know your rights, you won't know what questions to ask. Knowledge doesn't guarantee a particular outcome, but it gives you, the victim, the opportunity to participate in the process and advocate for yourself and the person you love. My mission is to help victims understand and navigate the criminal justice system while they're living through trauma, by sharing my personal experience and the lessons I learned. Every victim's journey is different, but my hope is that what I've learned can help you navigate yours. If sharing what I've learned helps even one victim find their way, then Kenley's legacy continues to make a difference. If you found this lesson helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, DUI Shatters Life, Myth versus Reality. This lesson answers one question. My YouTube channel answers the rest. Because every victim deserves her right to be informed. Thank you for watching. Join me for Lesson 6. What's the difference between a jury trial, a bench trial, and a plea agreement? Thank you.